In question number 16, it is given that this table gives the daily expenses on food of 25 households in a locality. So 25 will be sigma F5, isn't it? Because it is given in the question. Now classes represent daily expenses and F5 means number of households are given. This is 25. You can calculate also. You can add to get 25. Now we should find the mean by using suitable method. So for that we know that first column will be class mark. Here you can check classes are continuous, so no need to make it continuous. Directly we can start with class mark. Now to find class mark, 150 minus 100 divide by 2. So 50 divided by 2 will be 25. So this 25 you should add in each of the lower class of the lower limit of the class. So 125, isn't it? 100 plus 25 will give 125. 150 plus 125 means 175. 200 plus 25 means 225. This will be 275. This will be 325. Now again if you observe, see, xi's are very large. After getting multiplied with fi, it will give more larger value. So we'll avoid using direct method. So any one of the method you can use, step deviation or assuming method. So but I'll suggest you to use step deviation method. So for that we should find ui by using this formula. Remember, you write this formula in column, but whatever trick I gave you, that you can use directly, no problem. Now how many observations are there? 5 observations. So third value will be mid value, that you can assume as a. Now how to write ui? In front of this a put 0. Above numbers, above 0 all numbers will be negative starting from -1. Below all numbers will be positive starting from 1. This is your ui. Last column will be fi ui. So in that, this column and this ui, these two columns you should multiply. So see, 4 into -2 -8, 5 into -1 -5, 12 into 0 is 0, 2 and 4. Okay, now we should add one row here of total. This is given as 25 in the question itself. Okay, fi ui we should find. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, minus 8 plus 1 is -7. So mean will be x bar equals to a sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. A we have assumed as 225, fi ui we got -7, sigma fi is 25, and what is h? H is C 150 minus 100. H is class size. Directly find the difference of upper limit and lower limit. So 50. Okay. So see, 25 2s are 50 we can cancel. So we'll be left with 225 minus plus minus minus 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 211 is the mean of the observation or daily expense.